Good morning, wonderful ones. I hope you're all okay and ready for some phonics. So I'm going to pop Mr. Fred on my shoulder. You're going to stay there, Fred. You keep an eye on him, okay? So we're going to have a recap of the sounds that we know and that we have learnt recently, okay? Let's have a quick look through these sounds. So what's this one? B. Well done. So B. This one? D. Brilliant. I. Super. And J. Wow, well done. You've got your phonics hat on, haven't you? That was brilliant. Give yourselves a ketchup clap. Lots of ketchup everywhere. That was brilliant. Okay, so now we are going to go through our special friends. Okay, so let's go through our special friends and we'll start with the picture side, okay? So make sure you join in with the actions, okay? So I'm going to give them a shuffle first. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle. You ready? Okay, so shout it out. Brilliant. Shut the door. Start the car. Choo-choo. Thing on a string. I think I stink. Look at a book. Whirl and twirl. Blow the snow. Poo at the zoo. May I play? What can you see? A toy to enjoy. Spoil the boy. Thank you. Fly high, get that kite and put it high in the sky. Fly high. Cup of tea. That's not fair. Well done, that was brilliant. Give yourselves, put some spectacles on and say, I am spectacular. You are, you're super, well done. Okay, now let's do our sounds. Ooh, nearly dropped them all then. Are you ready? Air, brilliant. E, I. Remember, this is a rude sound, so put your tongue out. Brilliant. Oi, oi. E, A, oo. What's this one? Oh, well done. Oh. Nk, ng, ch, ah, or, what's this one? Ow, well done. So, ow, shout it out. Ow, that's a tricky one, isn't it? That was brilliant. Well done, wonderful ones. Give yourself a really, really sticky marshmallow clap. Sticky, sticky, sticky. That was a tasty marshmallow, wasn't it? Well done. Have a lovely day and I'll see you very soon. Bye, everyone. Oops.